Here we have the Microbend 1040. It's a 44 ton by 40 inch, 3-axis CNC servo hydraulic closed loop press brake. It's got the Siblex Sib Touch 12 control. It's a Y1, Y2 machine, 4/10,000ths of an inch repeatability. This machine comes with a single axis motorized programmable back gauge, 19.7 inches on the X, manual R and manual left to right Z fingers. Comes standard with an American die riser, a 4-way European die, and an American precision gooseneck punch. A-cast ram mounted safety system, front sheet supports, and your operator foot pedal station. Aaron's going to show us a little simple programming of a bend on this control.
So start a new program, go new program. Do you want to draw a part or do you want to program numerical? We'll do numerical. So step one, say I need to select my punch. There's my punch.
This has a 50 punch and 50 die library.
I'm going to select my die. There's my die. I want to bend steel. My material thickness is 60 thousandths. My sheet length is 12 inches. Calculate tonnage automatically. You can change your speeds, your retracts, once you have that programmed. Tell where you want your back gauge. So I want a 2-inch flange. Start. There's a 90-degree bend, 2-inch flange outside dimension. It's called bend line. I go bend line. You can do bottoming. You do tonnage reversal, angle mode. Go in here to do your corrections. So I go start with my part. Go in here and tell what angle I measured my part as. It would do a correction for me. If I want to add a step, insert step. Now I'm on step 2. Say I want a 45 degree, which is 135 in this case. There I'm on step 2. Start. 2-inch flange. I want 4 inches on that bend. Pretty straightforward, very easy to use.
Does it have a drawing function?
It does. So if I want to draw a part, a new program, that's what I want to do. So I want to do graphical.
Graphical.
Okay. So again, I need to tell it my material thickness. I want that punch. I want that die. Now, I want my first leg to be 4 inches. And I want a 90. And I want 6 inches. And I want 135. And I want that leg to be 4 inches. So there's a part.
Can you cycle it a couple times?
There's that. Now, and here's my criteria. Defaults usually work. Have it work on a bend solution. So there's bend 1, bend 2. Figures out my back gauge. Shows you which way to put the part in. Back to bend 1. Start. Now we're ready to do that bend.
Can you cycle it a couple times? And that is the Microbend 44 ton, 40 inch press brake for